Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video I'll show you on how you can turn on or get the hitbox in Geometry Dash. So the first thing that you want to do is to basically first head to the level that you want to turn the hitbox on. So in our case it's going to be this one, and basically inside this page you just want to pause the game entirely. Click on the gear icon, which is going to be this one. Most likely it's going to be at the top corner of your screen. And then inside this page, we have the show hitboxes option. It shows hitboxes while in practice mode. So let's just enable this option. Click on X, click on play, and then it will enable the hitboxes for Geometry Dash. So for the hitboxes to take effect, just make sure to navigate through the practice mode. And basically from there, we have all sorts of hitboxes on this specific Geometry Dash level. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.